This is my slime tube sealant. This is my kid's bike, and in the time it takes you to watch this animation about slime, I'm going to show you how I slime.
She left me on a Friday, anger off the chart. Flying glass didn't hurt, but words cut like a dart. I guess they haven't got around to making slime for the heart. I guess they haven't got around to making slime for the heart. It works on bikes and car tires and even barrow carts. It'll stop you going flat, you're good right from the start. But I guess they haven't got around to making slime for the heart. I guess they haven't got around to making slime for the heart. I guess they haven't got around to making slime for the heart. I guess they haven't got around to making slime for the heart.
So why do I slime? Well, it's going to save my kid getting punctures. That means it's going to save me time and money, and that's got to be a good thing. But when are they going to get around to making slime for the heart?